Think your job will always be there for you? Hate to break it to you, but when the economy crashes just like the COVID-19 pandemic, you're just another number. So today, I'll share 6 realistic side hustles you can start remotely in 2024 and this 2025 to make sure you're never fully dependent on just one paycheck. To figure out which side hustle is the best fit for you, there are 3 key criteria that will help you make a smart, informed choice. This framework is designed to maximize your chances of success by aligning your passion, skills, and market demand. Let's break them down. Number 1. What do you love doing? Start with what brings you joy. You could find a profitable side hustle, but if you don't genuinely enjoy it, the enthusiasm will fade and it'll be hard to sustain. Passion fuels consistency and learning, both critical to success. Number 2, what are you really good at? Think about your strengths. You don't need to be the absolute best at it, but having a natural talent or skill in an area gives you a huge head start. Plus, if you enjoy improving in that area, you're likely to excel faster than if you're struggling in something that doesn't come naturally to you. And number 3, what will people pay for? This is the crucial part. You might love doing something and be great at it, but if the market won't pay you for it, it's not going to work out as a side hustle. Focus on something that has demand, something people or businesses are willing to invest money in. When you find something that checks all these 3 boxes, you've hit the sweet spot. This intersection of passion, skills, and market demand is where the best side hustle opportunities lie. Let's dive into the first side hustle, direct response copywriting. If you enjoy writing and have a natural ability to communicate with words, this could be a perfect fit. Direct response copywriting is all about persuading people to take immediate action, like buying a product, signing up for a service, or subscribing to a newsletter. You've likely encountered it anytime you've bought something online after reading an ad or signed up for an email list. So, does this side hustle check the boxes? Number 1, is it something people will pay for? Absolutely. Businesses rely on copywriters to craft compelling messages that convert leads into customers, which directly impacts their bottom line. Great copywriters are in demand because their work leads to more sales. Number 2, real life examples. I personally pay a copywriter $1,000 per month for just 10 hours of work a week. That's like $25 per hour. For larger projects, I've hired copywriters on a flat fee basis, paying anywhere between $5,000 to $8,000 for a 2 to 3 month project. And the best copywriters can even negotiate a percentage of the sales their copy generates. For example, I know of a copywriter who worked on a $400 million sales page and likely earned a hefty commission on top of her fee. Number 3, how to learn direct response copywriting. If you're new to copywriting, don't worry, it's a skill you can learn. Start by reading books like Influence by Robert Cialdini, which will teach you the psychology behind persuasive writing. From there, you can start taking online courses from top experts to refine your craft. I'll link a course in the description below from one of the best copywriters I know. Number 4, finding clients. Getting started as a copywriter might seem tricky, but it's not impossible. First, you'll need to build a portfolio, even if it means writing mock projects to showcase your skills. Then, begin reaching out to potential clients through cold emails. Be personalized and specific. Mention how you can help their business based on your research rather than sending just a generic pitch. Offering a discount or a free sample of your work is a great way to get your foot in the door. Once you've landed a few clients, the work tends to snowball. Happy clients will recommend you, and soon enough you'll have a steady flow of projects. The next side hustle is being a virtual assistant or a VA. If you're someone who enjoys supporting others, is highly organized, and can figure out solutions quickly, becoming a VA could be a rewarding and profitable path. A VA provides remote support to businesses or entrepreneurs, handling tasks like administrative work, tech support, operational assistance, or even creative services like social media management. Number 1, is there demand for virtual assistants? Without a doubt. More and more businesses are relying on virtual assistants, especially as remote work becomes the norm. I personally pay my virtual assistant $45 an hour, and she helps me with everything from managing emails to scheduling and project management. Number 2, What type of virtual assistant should you be? The first step is to decide what kind of VA you want to be. Some specialize in areas like social media, marketing, or bookkeeping. Others focus on administrative tasks, while some act as executive assistants, handling everything from calendar management to email correspondence. The more specialized you are, the more valuable you'll become to clients. Number 3. How to get started. When you're starting out, I recommend going through a VA agency rather than trying to compete on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Agencies not only bring you clients, but they often provide training, which can help you develop your skills faster. Yes, they take a cut of your pay, but the experience you gain is invaluable. Once you've built up a relationship with clients, you can offer to work with them directly outside the agency. Specializing in specific tools or software like project management tools or social media platforms can also set you apart from the competition. Clients will pay more for someone who has niche expertise and can hit the ground running without a steep learning curve. The third side hustle is a bit different from the first two, as it doesn't require clients or bosses. Options trading is a side hustle you can do entirely on your own. And while it does require some knowledge of the stock market, it's one of the few ways to generate a steady income from trading. At its core, options trading involves buying and selling contracts based on stocks. Unlike traditional stock trading where it's tough to consistently make a profit, options trading can be much more predictable if you use the right strategies, specifically a method called high probability spread trading. Number 1. How it works. With high probability spread trading, you select options with a high likelihood of success. Once you trade an option, you're paid upfront, and as long as the stock doesn't move beyond a certain range, you keep getting money. It's a relatively low-risk way to trade options. Number 2. How much can you make? Personally, I make up to $1,000 a month trading options, and I spend less than an hour a week doing it. Number 3. Do you need a passion for finance? You don't need to be a stock market guru, but you do need to enjoy learning about financial markets and managing your emotions during the ups and downs of trading. It's intellectually stimulating, and once you understand the basic principles, not as risky as the many other forms of trading. Now, let's talk about content creation, one of the most versatile and scalable side hustles out there. Content creation involves producing media, like videos, photos, or blog posts on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or podcasts. Once you build an audience, there are multiple ways to monetize your content. Number 1. How content creators make money. Platform payouts. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok pay creators based on views and engagement. Affiliate marketing. This involves recommending products and earning a commission on sales through your affiliate links. Brand deals. Companies will pay you to promote their products. For example, I've earned between $10,000 and $50,000 for a single brand deal. Other creators can make over 6 figures monthly in affiliate income alone. Number 2. What skills do you need? To succeed as a content creator, you need to enjoy brainstorming and creating content ideas. You don't need to be a master filmmaker, but understanding what makes people engage with your content is crucial. Human psychology plays a big role here. What makes people curious, what makes them click, and what keeps them coming back. Number 3. The sky's the limit. As a content creator, your income potential is only limited by your audience size and engagement. The more creative and consistent you are, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your work. And lastly, let's cover video editing, another high-demand side hustle. With more than 92% of internet users consuming video content every week, the need for skilled video editors is growing rapidly. Whether it's for YouTube creators, small businesses, or large companies, video editors are essential. Number 1. Demand for video editors. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the demand for video editors is expected to grow by 7% from 2023 to 2032, faster than the average for all occupations. I pay my video editor $1,000 a month to edit just 5 videos, and they're worth every penny because video is a key part of growing my brand. Number 2. Getting started. If you're new to video editing, begin by learning the basics through free tools like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. There are tons of tutorials online to get you up to speed. Start editing simple videos for practice, and over time, you'll develop the skills needed to charge higher rates. Number 3. Monetizing video editing. Once you're comfortable with the software, offer your services to small YouTubers or businesses to build your portfolio. And from there, you can work your way up to bigger clients and charge more for your work. Each of these side hustles offers its own unique advantages, but what they all have in common is the potential to generate income on your terms. Whether it's through building a creative career or learning a new skill like options trading, the most important part is getting started. The earlier you begin, the faster you can grow and build a sustainable source of extra income. Now, if you'd like to learn to make money just by using your phone, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. Okay, I'll see you over there.